Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will look at how to add in the calligraphic letter W to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX Code. So letter W is the 23rd letter in the modern English alphabet, which is a Latin alphabet consisting of 26 letters. And we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. And here we'll add in calligraphic W. Here we'll use the command \mathcal, and we'll input in this command a capital W. Now to actually show this letter, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run this cell, we have the calligraphic letter W here, center in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add the calligraphic letter W to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.